Okay. So what happens in negative? If we talk about the very basic rule of negative, whenever there is a sentence, how do you make negative of that sentence? Na plus verb plus pa. Okay. Can you see this? Na plus verb plus pa. Okay. In between, I'll ask you people also few questions just to see. Okay. Okay. Anandita, can you tell me why did I write an apostrophe here? Any
Because if it comes before a vowel, you have to put the N apostrophe.
Very nice, very nice. If the verb starts with a vowel, we write an apostrophe. Okay. Then there is an example that I've given you here. Je parle français. Christina, can you tell me how are we going to make negative of this basic sentence? Je parle français.
Yes, ma'am. We should put na and pa between the verb.
Yes. So before the verb, we're going to put na. After the verb, we're going to put pa. Okay. I'm starting from all zero, from very basic. Okay. Let's just continue. Rida, can you just elaborate how many types of articles are there in French?
Ma'am, we have the definite articles and le, and L apostrophe, and we have the indefinite articles yun, the, and we have the we have these two articles.
Two articles?
Two types of articles.
Two types of articles. Are you sure?
I think we contract also them. We also contract them with a and the, and there are partitive articles for the food also. Right?
Yes. Yes. So in total, how many types of articles do we have?
Four.
Four. Okay. Four types of articles we have. Which are those four articles? Defini, indefini. I'm not going to show you the entire document at once. I want you people to do one thing because few things you will already be aware. Few things will be new for you. Okay. In the coming things, you will find few things that will be new. I want you to do one thing along with me in the class. When I'm sharing with you these facts, okay, the basic concept is na plus verb plus pa, and then four types of articles are there. I want you to do one thing. We are having a discussion in the class. After every discussion, few of the things, I'm going to give you 2 minutes. Take that 2 minutes, write down whatever you can recollect. Okay, right now. You have to write it just right now. Okay, you don't have to leave it for later that you will do it later. You're just listening. We are discussing also. We will write also side by side. Okay, so how many types of articles do we have? Four. Four types of articles are there in French. Défini, indéfini, contracté, and partitive. Défini, le, la, L apostrophe. Meaning of all of them is, what is the meaning, Anandita? What is the meaning of all of them?
The.
Very good. What about indefinite articles, Christina?
And
Un, they. Okay, which are the indefinite articles? Un, they. And what is the meaning of these articles?
A and an.
An and some. What about contracte? There are two types of contracte article. Okay. There are two sides. Can you see these two sides I have made? Can you see? One is the A ones. A, O, ala, L apostrophe, AUX. The other one is the side. Are you people aware of these articles, Anandita and Christina? Or you are just seeing them for the first time?
I'm aware.
You're aware of these articles?
Yes.
Okay, and what is the meaning of contracted article? Do you know the
It
meaning of
contracts with the preposition.
With what? Christina, can you repeat?
It contracts with the preposition.
Okay, but what is the meaning? Meaning of contracted article?
Like, I'm not sure.
Not sure. Okay, no problem. Contracted articles are of two types. Okay, can you see these two arrows I've made? The A ones are to, the D ones are off. Okay, and with definite articles, they become to the and of the. Okay, and then we have the last one. Which are the last one? Article partitive. These articles we used with food. We use them with food. Okay, and all of them means some. All of them means some. I want you to take a minute and just write down whatever we have discussed right now. Just see how much you are able to remember. Why are we discussing these articles? We're discussing these articles because we need to know when it's a simple sentence, it's na plus verb plus pa. But when the articles are there, will they change in negative sentence? That is why we are doing these articles. Okay. Let me know once you people are done. Done? Safini? Done for everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Anandita, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So as far as these articles are concerned, Rita, can you start? What do you remember? Try not to see as much as you can on the screen, okay? But if you're not remembering, then of course you can refer. What do you
Ma'am,
think about these articles?
ma'am, what I wrote about my
Do these articles change? This is what I'm trying to ask.
ma'am, the lay, they don't change,
Mm-hmm.
and the indefinite, yeah, they change to the
Mm-hmm.
contractive.
And wait. Anything else? Anandita and Christina, anything else that you want to add on in indefinite articles? Indefinite articles change. Do they change 100%?
No, except for one verb.
Which is that verb, Christina?
I guess it's etra.
Yes, absolutely correct. It is verb etre. Okay, so remember that also with verb etre, it's not going to change. Okay, now I want three of you to give me one sentence with definite article. Can you see this one sentence on the screen? See this
Yes,
one
ma'am.
sentence on the screen? J'aime le café. Okay, j'aime le café. I have made one sentence with definite article. And can you see that arrow? Is it changing? Not changing? Definite article. Do they change or they don't change?
No,
They are
doesn't
not
change.
changing.
Not.
So I want one sentence from your side also. Give me one sentence with definite article. And you can use any definite article. I have used le. You can use la, L apostrophe or lay. Up to you. Give me one sentence each.
Je veux le Roma, de Jules Verne.
Ça va? Je veux le roman de Jules Verne. Okay. Je veux. I'll just write her sentence also in the chat box. Jules Verne. All right. So how are you going to make negative of this?
Je ne veux pas le Roma de Jules.
Très bien. Je ne veux pas le roman. Okay. Anandita, would you like to try one sentence with definite article?
Je mange le pain.
Okay, okay, but manger verb is there and pain word is there. So that means we are going to use partitive article with that because it's related to food.
Food.
Yeah, definite article we cannot write.
Okay.
So try using some other verb. Change the verb. Try changing the verb. Christina, meanwhile, you can also try, beta. If you are done, you can start. You can make a
Yes, sir.
sentence with definite article using any verb. I want you to note down, okay? Note down few verbs. Rida, do you know which are those verbs with which we write definite article always? Do you remember?
Ma'am, first is like aimer,
Uh-huh.
adore.
Uh-huh. So these are the set of verbs. I'm sending them in the chat, okay? Aimer, adore. Any other? With these verbs, we always write definite article. So you can always make sentence with these verbs. Any other? Do you remember? Anandita and Christina, if you remember. Any other verb with which you always write? No? Rida? We still have 2 more to go. There are 4 verbs in French.
I only remember these two.
You remember 2? Okay, no worries. One is this. Okay, I'm unable to make the accents in the chat, but you people can make it in Prefere. And one is this. Okay. So what are the meanings? Aim is to like, adore, love, prefere, prefer, and deteste, hate or dislike. Okay, I've written it down in the chat. You can note down from there. You can write a note. With these 4 verbs, we always use definite article. Okay, so remembering the articles is very, very important in negative topic. After the class, I'll also send you this document, but whatever you can write in front of me, that'll be good. It's just a practice. You'll be able to remember in the class itself. You don't have to take it for later on. Okay, so article défini, it doesn't change in negative. Done, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's move on to the next category, indefinite. Indefinite, like we discussed, can you see this? It changes into DE and D apostrophe. I've highlighted it, except verb être. So let's just see the example. J'ai un stylo. Indefinite article. Can you see the arrow? It is changing to? It is changing to? Everybody
The.
together.
The.
Is
The.
changing to the. Okay. Then we have an exception. Can you see the exception? Now, c'est un stylo. Anandita, which is the verb être in c'est un stylo? Which is verb être? Can you tell me? C'est un EST. EST. Okay, so EST is verb être. That is why, can you see the arrow? It is same. With être verb, article indefinite remain same. It remains same. Clear? Any doubt till here? Make one sentence with indefinite article also. Try. Try to make it yourself. Hurry up. Who's going to try? One sentence with indefinite article. Like I have made. J'ai un stylo. I have a pen. Similarly, you can also make. Anybody who would like to try?
J'ai un livre.
Très bien.
Livre.
Très bien. J'ai un livre. And how will you make negative?
Je ne ai Je, ne apostrophe, et pas livre. The livre.
The livre. Très bien. Très bien. The livre. Excellent. Okay. Christina, would you like to try for the exception, beta? Être verb sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
Mhm.
I am completely. I am thinking of a sentence, but I can't form any. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's completely fine. Try writing it, okay? And I want 3 of you to send me whatever you're writing. Just send me your work after the class. Okay? Whatever is coming in your mind, just make that sentence. Christina, in your notebook, it's okay. Don't worry whether it's right or wrong. Just make it. Okay? Whatever is coming in your mind. If you're not able to speak, just write it down. After the class, send me your work. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Let's move on to the next one. Next articles, we have contracte. 2 types. To the and of the, and they remain. They remain. Hurry up, complete the sentence. They remain
The same.
Unchanged.
The same.
unchanged. Okay, or they remain same. They do not change. Okay, so try making one sentence with to the and of the also. I have also made. See, je parle au professeur. O is to the. I'm speaking to the professor. The more you try to make sentence on your own, the better you're going to understand. Okay, and if you don't know any vocabulary, keep writing, writing, writing. Okay, je parle au professeur. Negative. Je ne parle pas. Can you see arrow? AU is same. Okay, similarly, the next one. C'est la robe de la femme. Christina, what is the meaning of the sentence? C'est la robe de la femme. Do you know the meaning of the sentence? C'est la robe de la femme.
I'm not sure about the meaning of la robe.
Still, just a
Uh,
guess.
The dress.
Dress, très bien. Correct. This is the dress of the
This is the dress of the lady.
lady.
Uh,
And can you see of the is same? Can you see the arrow? De
Yes,
la is same. Contracted article remains same. Okay, try making sentences on your own. Hurry up with to the and of the. Try making it. Whatever sentence is coming in your mind, you can try writing it down or while speaking also. You can even speak. Anything with to the and of the.
I gave the pen to my no.
Fine, fine. That also can be done. I give the pen to my. It's fine.
Okay.
You can even make like that. Okay. So how will you make? Which is the verb for give? I'll write it down in the chart. Okay. Which is the verb for give? Anandita, do you know which is the verb for give?
Donner.
Donner, donner. Je donne. What is pen? Christina?
Stilo.
Le stylo. Mon. What is friend?
Mon ami.
Mon ami. Ça va. See? So, je donne le stylo à mon ami. Also can be used. It's okay. Je ne donne pas le stylo à mon ami. Okay. Rita, would you like to give any sentence, beta? With to the and of the? Any?
Je vais à Paris.
Okay. Fine. This is also fine. Je vais à Paris. Negative.
Je ne vais pas à Paris.
Ça va. Fine, fine, fine. Okay. Je ne vais pas à Paris. Ça va. Okay, let's move on to our last one. Last one is which articles? L'article partitive. And like we saw in the table, did you see in the table? They always change. I've written here below DE and D apostrophe. They always change. Okay. Du, dala, GL apostrophe, they. All of them will change. One sentence from your side. One sentence I've given here. Je mange du pain. Je ne mange pas de. The word in red. The pain. Any sentence from your side. Hurry up. Try making.
You mange, you, what's the word for banana? Ananas?
Banana, banan. Tu manges des bananes, ça va? Ça va? Tu manges des
You mange des bananas.
banan. Okay, so what will be the negative of this? Tu manges des bananes? Negative?
Tu ne manges pas des bananes.
DE, okay? The banan. Okay. Anandita, would you like to try any sentence?
Yes, ma'am.
With partitive article?
Il mange du rice.
Okay, what is
Riz.
RI?
Z.
Very good. What will be the negative of this?
Je ne mange de riz.
And your sentence was starting with il. And now it changed to je.
Il ne mange.
It's okay. Okay, il ne mange pas de riz. Rida, would you like to give any sentence with partitive article?
Chaque matin, je bois du café noir.
Très bien. Okay. Chaque matin. I'm also going to write her sentence, what she's saying. Chaque matin, je bois du café noir. Okay. What is chaque matin? Every morning. So whichever new words you're coming across and you don't know, keep writing. Okay. Chaque matin. I'm writing, sending everything in the chat. Okay. So chaque matin is every morning. Every morning I'm drinking. And what will be the negative of this, Rida?
Chaque matin, je ne bois de café noir.
Where is pa?
Oh, sorry. Chaque matin, je ne bois pas de café noir.
Yeah, très bien, okay. Just take a minute and reflect everything that we've done. Is it clear now? Simple negative sentence, na plus verb plus pa. If articles are there, you need to see which category of articles are there. Okay. So I want all of you to repeat the answer after me. Definite article, will they change? Yes or no?
No.
No.
No. Indefinite article, will they change?
Yes.
Yes.
They are going to change to what?
The.
Everybody together.
Or de or d apostrophe.
DE or D apostrophe, except verb.
Être.
Très bien. Contracted articles, will they change? Yes or no?
No.
No.
No. Partitive articles?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. They are going to change to
De.
DE
Or
and D apostrophe. Clear?
apostrophe.
Clear?
Yes.
All right. Now we are moving ahead. I hope till here it's clear. Okay. You have made your own sentences also. Keep trying. Now we're going to discuss something else in negative topic only. Okay. In which all sentences you should know how to make negative. Starting with my first sentence. Just pay attention on my first sentence. Anandita, my first sentence. Je me réveille. What is je me réveille? Have you ever seen it? Je me réveille.
I have seen, but I don't know the meaning.
Okay. Christina, what about you?
It's a reflexive verb. Not sure about the meaning.
Okay, no worries. What about you, Rida?
Ma'am, I think it means get up, wake up.
Wake up. Very good. Okay, can you see this me réveille? Me réveille, can you see? These are category of verbs which are called pronomino. Okay. Les verbes pronomino. Pronominal verbs. Okay. Reflexive verbs like Christina said. Okay. So what is going to happen in these verbs? If these sentences are there and you have to make negative of this, please remember one thing. Can you see I've underlined this? Me réveille. You cannot separate pronoun and the verb. Whenever the pronoun is there with the verb, it becomes one. It becomes one. You cannot separate pronoun and the verb. So it becomes one. Before both of them, you're going to write na. After both of them, you're going to write pa. Clear? Is it clear? Now in my second sentence I'm using the same verb, but it is in which tense? It's in which tense?
Passive composite.
Passive composite. And now in passive composite, my pronoun, ma is a pronoun. Ma is with which verb? It's with which verb?
Etre.
Etre. So I'm not going to separate that. Just remember this one single line. Pronoun is with whichever verb. You will not separate pronoun and the verb. It becomes one. In my first sentence, it was only revai. So it was with revai, it became one. In my second sentence, now pronoun is with etre verb. So it becomes one. Before both of them, na. After both of them, pa. Is it clear? This thing is clear because you need it. In negative sentences, you will see these pronominal verbs also here and there. So I'm covering this entire negative topic here.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can you repeat it?
Yeah,
didn't
Christina, just tell me one thing. Do you know which category of verbs are these?
Um,
Mhm.
reflexive.
Reflexive. How do you conjugate? Can you see this? I've written in the chat box. How do you conjugate these verbs? Do you know how to conjugate these verbs?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you see this? So, whatever I'm writing this, what is this murtha? What is this murtha, sir? What are these? These are,
Pronouns.
yes, these are pronouns. Okay, whatever I'm
Okay.
speaking side by side, I'm using the chart also, so you can even refer that. What are
Yes,
these?
ma'am.
These are pronouns. While making negative, you cannot separate pronoun and the verb. While making negative, you cannot separate pronoun and the verb. It becomes one.
Okay.
Okay? It becomes one. You cannot separate it.
Okay.
In between, you cannot write anything. Na, nahi, pa, nahi. In between, you can't write anything. So both of them
Okay.
becomes one. Before both of them, can you see I've underlined this? Can you see? Underlined?
Yes, ma'am.
Underlined means it is one part. Before both of them, you'll write na. After both of them, you're going to write pa. I want you to note it down right now
Yes, ma'am.
so that you remember.
Done.
And similarly, in my second sentence, it is passive composite. All the pronominal verbs are conjugated with verb être in past tense. Okay? All the pronominal verbs in past tense, they are conjugated with verb être. That is why sui is written here. All of them will be conjugated with être. Okay, so now être and pronoun becomes one. Before both of them, na. After both of them, pa. Is it clear? Can we move to third?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is happening in third? Now third is an interrogation. I told you one thing, you cannot separate interrogation. You cannot separate pronoun and the verb. Which is the pronoun? Anandita, which is the pronoun in third sentence?
You.
Pronoun. Not subject pronoun, the other pronoun.
Te. It's coming
T,
in the
okay, so
beginning.
T apostrophe. Okay, so T apostrophe, ES and Q. We are following inversion. How we are doing that? If you're not getting that, it's okay. Right now, just pay attention on the negation. Okay, the way the sentence is being formed, if you have a doubt in that, no worries. We are going to do that in passive composé also. When I'll do past tense, we're going to discuss this in past tense also. Right now, just pay attention about NAPA. Where am I supposed to write this NAPA? Okay. Rida, can you elaborate about the third sentence? How are we writing NAPA?
Ma'am, we have put the NAPA Thank you. We have put the na before the conjugated verb, which is etre,
Mhm.
and pa also after it, and there was inversion, so we followed it by
Yes.
through.
Yes, and whenever this hyphen is there, we cannot write anything in between. Can you see this dash hyphen? In between, you cannot write anything. Whenever pronoun and the verb is together, in between, you can't write anything. That is why this underlined portion became 1. Okay, that is why this underlined portion is 1. And before all of it, we've written na. After the subject pronoun, we've written pa. Is it clear? Little bit clear? What about the
Yes,
fourth
ma'am.
sentence? Fourth sentence is also a normal verb, but with inversion. So where did I write na? Can you see? Wherever those hyphens are there, I've not written anything in hyphens. So this portion became 1. Before all of this, I've written na. After all of this, I've written, after the subject pronoun, I've written pa. Is it clear? And the article is changing to? Article is changing to? It's changing to what? The.
The
Indefinite article is changing to the. Any doubt till here?
no, ma'am.
Okay, tomorrow also we'll be having our class at 9. So you have complete 1 day before we start our next class. So make sure that this one topic is thorough, okay? Okay, try covering it. You people are going to school nowadays, or is it, are you people on leave now? You going to school?
Yes,
Anandita?
ma'am.
No, no.
Right now, I have pre-boards going on
Pre-boards going on, okay. And till which date are they?
until 20th this
20th.
month.
Okay, okay. Anandita, your pre-boards are done, no?
Yes.
Okay. Rida, what about you?
Ma'am, today was my last pre-board. Now I will have my school till last of January.
All right, all right. Fine, fine. Hmm. Is it clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's move to expressions. One more, this pronopersonal, and then we'll move to expressions. What is this parler la rond? Which kind of sentence is this parler la rond? Anandita, any idea?
Imperative.
Imperative, trebia, imperative, and imperative positive. Whenever imperative positive is there, imperative positive, where are the pronouns? Pronouns are after the verb. All the pronouns will be after the verb. Can you see? Parler, leur, on. Okay? But when you have to make negative of this, okay, negative of this sentence, all the pronouns will shift before the verb. Imperative positive, just write this line that I've written in the chat. Imperative positive, pronouns after the verb. Imperative negative, pronouns before the verb. And again, the above rule that we have discussed. Whenever pronoun and the verb is there, you can't separate it. Okay?
Okay.
Done, written.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope it's not too much of the information. Is it?
No,
No,
If you think that's too much, okay, you can always tell it. Okay? Can we move to negative expressions? Anandita, before I show the screen, any idea about negative expressions? I want you to brief. What are negative expressions?
For certain words, instead of putting like na, the verb and pa, you use certain like jame or person or rien to make it like change it to negative.
Trebia, instead of pa, na will be there in
Instead
all
of
of
pa.
them. Okay, instead of pa, we use this negative expression word. Okay, Christina, what about negative expressions? Can you tell us something about negative expressions?
Instead of using na and pa, you can use like a word or a phrase to show the negative
Yes,
part
na
of the
plus verb plus the expression. Okay, so we have
Okay.
different expressions. First category, quelquefois, parfois, souvent, toujours. All of them lie in the same category. Okay, quelquefois, sometimes, parfois, sometimes, souvent, often, toujours, always. So if any of the word is there, I want you people to do one thing. One thing you will do, okay? Try doing it yourself. From here, just note down first sentence and note down all of these positive words with the negative word. Example, try to make on your own. Try making on your own. You can see my example. In the same way, try to replicate and try a new sentence. Because when the sentence is going to come from your side, you will always remember it. Okay, so try making the sentence on your own. Positive, negative words you can note down. Okay, so if any of those words are there, the negative will be jamais. Like I have made, je vais toujours. Negative, je ne vais jamais. Okay, this structure is clear. Na plus verb plus negative word. So if anybody wants to try a sentence on your own, I would love to hear that. If any of the thing is coming in your mind, and if it's not coming right now, leave space, make it later. That's okay. But if anybody wants
Ma'am,
to share, you can. Yeah.
what is the difference between quelquefois and parfois?
Nothing. They're synonyms.
Okay.
Sometimes you will see parfois word and sometimes you will see quelquefois word. But the negative will be jamais only. Okay? They're synonyms. Anybody out of three of you, anyone who would like to make a sentence? Who would like to try making a sentence?
Il ne boit jamais.
Il ne.
Boit.
Okay, très bien. Il ne boit jamais. You can even continue that further. You have just made it till here. Il ne boit jamais. But mais quoi? Can you continue that? Il ne boit jamais. He never drinks what? The café, peut-être. You can write café. Il ne boit jamais de café. He never drinks coffee. Okay, so that
Okay.
can be done. Okay, so try making that sentence. Let's move on to the next one. The next one is very, very important. You can just note down TOUS. It can be any version of TOUS, okay? Tout, tout le monde, or quelqu'un. It is under the category of person because we're talking about if this two word is related to person. Okay, then it will be person. For example, my first sentence. Rida, can you just brief us this sentence? Tout le monde est venu.
I think it means everyone came.
Very good. Everyone came. So please remember one thing, wherever the positive word will be, negative will also be there only. Now positive is in the starting of the sentence. So negative will also be in the starting of the sentence. Okay? Tout le monde and person. And ne will be before the verb only. So person n'est venu. No one came. Okay? Similarly, my second sentence. J'ai vu quelqu'un. I saw someone. So, je n'ai vu personne. Person will be after past participle. Okay? Person will be after the past participle. So whenever you see this TOUS word or TOUT, these two is of 4 types. Okay, if you can note it down if you want, but if you know it, then that's okay. This 2 is of 4 types. So something related to this, whenever it's associated with, I'm just sending it to you in the chat. It's of 4 types. Whenever this word is related to person, the negative word will be person. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. My teacher told me like this one you negated, right? Persone venue. So he said ki because person is a feminine word, so you also have to add e. Like in this sentence, you'll have to add venue plus e.
No, 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 no. Nothing like that.
No,
No, no,
no.
no, 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 no. Are you sure it's about person only?
Yeah, because he said it's like la person. Something like this.
No, no,
So
no.
yeah,
I
no.
think maybe you're mixing something. Did you note it down somewhere?
Yeah, I did.
Then you can just show it to me or send it to me. But there is no rule like this here. Person and venue also it remains same. There's no rule like this.
Like
Okay.
he meant that we have to do accord with
No,
person.
no, 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 no accords. With negation, there are no accords.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. All right, let's move on to the third one. Then quelque chose negative is rien, something and nothing. So simple sentence I've made. I want you to try it making your own sentences. Je mange quelque chose, je ne mange rien. So you can just note down positive and the negative word. Okay, this PDF I'm going to send you. So examples, you can leave it right now. Examples, try making on your own. Refer to my examples, but make on your own, okay? Je mange quelque chose, je ne mange rien. So quelque chose, rien. Then the next negative word we have combination is encore and plus. Encore is still. There is still some milk. So negative is there is no more milk. Okay. Il y a encore, il n'y a plus. Clear? Positive word will always be given. Just make the negative word. Write the negative word, okay? Out of the two combinations, you have to follow only one. Either you follow pa, na plus verb plus pa, or you follow na plus verb plus negative word. Okay? Out of the two combinations, only one combination you have to follow. Done? Till 4 it's done. Christina, let me know if you're done. Safini?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's move on to our next one. Deja. Deja is already. So negative of deja is pas encore. Learn all of this. Il est déjà parti. He already left. He's still not left. So deja and pas encore. Okay, then next we have is quelque part and partout. Quelque part is somewhere, partout is everywhere. So anything, somewhere or everywhere. Negative is nowhere. So il n'est allé nulle part. Okay. So learn these words. Formation of all of them is almost same. You just have to learn the negative words. Positive is already given. What is the negative of that? Okay. 7th is our neither nor case. Neither nor case means two nouns will be given or two adjectives will be given. For example, I have a notebook and a pen. So I neither have a notebook nor a pen. Okay. When you're using neither nor. Okay. Whenever this neither nor ni, 2 times we write ni before the word. Like ni kaiye, ni stilo. Okay. And while you write this ni, please remember to remove indefinite articles and partitive articles. All right. I hope till here it's clear. We are almost at the end of this negation. There are 2-3 things that I am seeing them, very, very often and together with French also. That's why I've covered them here.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, for ni, for the indefinite, we don't change them to the, we just remove them.
Remove, yeah, remove.
Okay.
Okay, remove indefinite articles, remove partitive articles, remove and also. Can you see? And was also there. I have a notebook and a pen. So I've removed and also. If sometimes or is given, remove or also. Just ni, that word, and ni and another word. Simple. Okay. And then I have few notes for you. These are my last notes and we are done with negation. Okay. And I want you to brief it. I will not share anything. You tell me one by one. It's very easy. I've written it in a very simple language. Okay. Christina, would you like to start with these
Yes, ma'am.
notes?
So j'aime, rien, and pas encore. It comes after the auxiliary verb. And so yeah, and it comes for J means never.
So
Uh,
we are basically talking here about past. After the auxiliary means? After the auxiliary means? What is the meaning of after the auxiliary?
after etre or avoir.
Very good. Okay, after etre or avoir. Let me just see if I've covered any sentence like this. Il est déjà parti. We are writing all the negative words after the auxiliary, after etre or avoir. Except, which is the second sentence. Rida, can you elaborate that?
Ma'am, in the second sentence, there are 3 exceptions. Person, Nulpa, and Ukun. So I'm not sure about the last one.
Yeah.
But I know about person and Nulpa. So basically, if we are negating with person and there is a passive composite sentence or any compound sentence, so we put person and Nulpa after the participe passive,
Very
not
good.
after the auxiliary.
Very good. Can you see sixth part? Sixth part, we were having the word nulpar. So nulpar we have written after past participle. Can you see? Nulpar and person will be after past participle. Rest all of them will be before. Okay, with first. Clear? This concept is clear? Okay, only these 2 words are there. Okay, I'll brief what is okay. Except okay, person and nulpar will always be after the second verb, after the past participle. Clear? Talking
Yes, ma'am.
about this last word, okay, very, very common. Okay, very, very common. There will be few words in which this TOUS word will be there. Like if you see my sentence that I've given you. Les étudiants ont donné tout leur devoir. Tout word is already given. Okay, tout leur devoir. And tout is given with what? Two they are writing with what? With noun, with adjective, with what? Can you see this? TOUS, they are writing with what? Can you see?
Adjective.
Adjective. They're
I
writing
mean,
with
like,
adjective.
it's followed by a noun. So
Yes,
yeah.
yes. Tout leur devoir. What is devoir? Devoir is a noun. Whenever this two word is given, the negation will always be with the word aucun. AUCUN. Okay, the students have given all their homework. The students have not given. How will you make negative? They've given all their homework. They've submitted all their homework. So they've not given, what will be the negative? They've not given,
None,
huh?
none.
None, or
homework.
they have not given any homework.
Ma'am, but we can also use Ria here. Like
No,
they have
no,
not
no,
given us.
no. Ria, you cannot use. Ria, you cannot use because we have a noun here. Okay, wherever you're using Ria, just see, go back. Ria, we are majorly focusing with the verb. Je mange quelque chose. I'm eating something. I'm not eating anything. Okay, with tu, you cannot use Ria. With tu, you will always use aucun. A-U-C-U-N. Okay, and when you use this A-U-C-U-N, it is available of two types. A-U-C-U-N and with feminine version. Now, can you see the word devoir? Devoir is masculine, feminine?
Masculine.
Masculine. So A-U-C-U-N and whatever is written with devoir, just remove that. Now, with devoir, adjective possessive was there. Leur devoir. Can you see? Leur devoir. So I have removed leur. And devoir, you have to make that word into singular. Okay, you have to make that word into singular. Anandita, is it clear? Can you brief it again? What is happening here with aucun?
So when there's an adjective and if it's followed by a noun, you use aucun.
Mm-hmm.
And it depends if it's a feminine or masculine, you use A-U-C-U-N or A-U-C-U-N-E. You replace that with tu and you also remove the adjective right before the verb.
Yes,
And you make it
yes.
singular.
Yes, you have to make it to singular, 1 point. Whatever is written with that, remove articles and adjectives. In this case, possessive adjective was there, so remove that. Clear? Take a minute and go through all the notes. I'll give you a few sentences to do right now. Let me just see.
Ma'am, this oka, can we also use it with person or is always with
No, no,
things?
no, no, no. Always with things.
Okay.
Things. Yeah. Can I share the questions with you people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we just see two parts in the class? And few I'm going to give you as a homework. Okay? So solve it and send it to me. All right? Okay, let's start. Can we start?
Ma'am, if you will send the document so I can only write the answers, right?
Yeah. You don't have to copy questions. Okay, you don't have to copy questions. Right now, I'm just discussing few parts just to, revise. Okay? I'm going to send you this question document as well. Okay, so let's start with Anandita. Anandita, first part, bache.
No. Mon frère ne cherchait pas un emploi.
Okay, think again. Right now, do not write anything, okay? 3 of you, do not write anything. I'll send you this document as well. You have to solve it at home. Right now, for discussion, we're discussing few parts in the class. Okay?
But it's mon frère ne cherchait pas DE, the employee.
DE, again. Whenever I'm repeating your things, that means you have to keep correcting again and again. Self-correction is the best correction. DE.
D apostrophe.
Bravo, très bien. D apostrophe emploi. Okay, Christina, next part.
Yes, ma'am. An apostrophe R T Pa Dev.
Where did you write no? Can you tell me again? Where did you write no?
In the beginning,
In the
after
beginning.
Y.
No. Before Y.
Okay.
Before Y. You can't separate it. Before Y. Okay, it is basically an
Okay.
expression Ilya. We have reversed Ilya. Okay, Ilya. Ilya means there is or there are. So Y we have taken out, and A and Il we have reversed. In between we have written the, because both of them are vowels. Okay, so it became
Okay.
Yatil. And you cannot
Okay.
separate Yatil. It became one.
Okay.
You can't separate it, okay? So N apostrophe Y, after that, continue.
Atil Pa DE.
D-E.
DE sorry, D apostrophe.
Yep. D apostrophe afnola paniye. Okay. Rida, third part.
Peter ne pas un beau garçon.
Very good. One more round, we'll do it. Okay. Next, Anandita, one more part.
Marie ne porte jamais pour moi.
See. Refer to the notes. Did you note down those words? Positive, negative?
Rien.
Rien.
Marie ne porte rien pour moi.
Très bien. Christina, next part, बच्चे.
Par and so na par pa and
Think. I share it with you. Imperative positive pronouns will be afterwards. Imperative negative pronouns will be before.
the
So how will you write? Pronoun we have to shift before in negative.
yes.
Think, see, now this is like this. I'll show it to you. This is like this. If I shift it like this, see, I've shifted before. Can you see in the chat?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, where will you write Napa? See this and tell me Napa, where will you write?
Na pa par.
Repeat again one more time.
Na pa par.
Pronoun and the verb, you cannot. You cannot. Rida, can you fill this line? You cannot.
Cannot be separated.
You cannot separate pronoun and the verb. It becomes one.
Okay. I'm still not sure.
See? Now where will you put Napa? Now I have put brackets also. You can't separate them. It becomes one.
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you going to write Napa?
Na in the first and pa at the last.
Yes. Yes.
I think that's what I told before.
Okay, I was hearing pa and par. I don't know why I was hearing that. I was hearing pa first and par later. Okay, maybe
then
if
I
you've
might have
told this,
heard.
then it's fine. It's fine,
Okay.
okay? The thing
Okay.
should be that the concept should be clear to you.
Okay.
Okay, so you can't separate pronoun and the verb. It becomes one. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Rita, next last part. And then I'm going to
Uh,
share it for home, okay?
Ma'am, it will be il na ya plu the with the apostrophe ou dans la rêverie.
Très bien. Très bien. Very good. Very
Ma'am,
good.
I wanted to ask that in the fifth part, जब हम negate करेंगे, wouldn't we remove the s or not?
No, no. Removing of S happens in ER verbs. It
Oh
is
yes.
IR. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Any doubt? Just go through whatever we have done. If you want to ask anything, please ask. How's your culture and civilization going on, everybody? Anandita and Christina?
It's quite fine, ma'am.
It's fine. You've started learning it, or you want to start learning it again?
I started learning.
Okay, good, good. Chalo, let's continue with lesson 2 then quickly. Okay. So it's there on the screen. I'm also going to send you that. Okay. Whichever things I'm showing you on the screen, I'll send you after the class. All right. So let's do it together from your side, everybody. Anandita, I'm going to read the question and the answer. I want you people to translate as much as you can. Okay. Let's see how much you remember. So first question, quels sont les différents niveaux du système d'éducation en France? Anandita, start. Which are the different levels of education system in
Education
France?
system in France. There's there's l'école okay, I'm not sure about the meaning of that, but that's from 2 years to 6 years. And then there's primary, which is from 6 to 11 years. And then there's high school, which is from 11 to 15 years. And then there's college, which is 15
Yeah.
to 18 years.
Yeah. So école maternelle is like kindergarten. Okay. When the child starts the school. Okay. Next question. Christina, continue. Okay. Où obtient-on le bac? Where do we obtain bac?
We get ambiant le bac dans un lycée. We get a baccalaureate in lycée means college.
College or basically high school. Okay. It's like your 10th, 11th, 12th. 18 years, we're still in 12th. Okay. So high school. BAC is a kind of diploma. We obtain baccalaureate in high school. Okay. Question number 3. Quel cours suit-on dans un IUT? Rida?
On suit des cours de technologie dans un IUT.
Okay. So we follow the classes of technology, engineering classes in IUT. That's a college. Okay.
Ma'am, one time I asked you, you told me that cour was singular, but here it's plural.
Because they have written it. Cour word, if you write adjective demonstrative with cour word, you are going to write it as singular. Okay, for example, I'll give you one example, Rida. If I am saying this sentence, like, give me a second. Like, for example, with month word also, MOIS, if you want to make it plural, you can make it plural. Okay, like country word. I like all the countries. Okay, for example, see this. I'll just give you j'aime les pays. If I give you like this, I like countries. So I've made it plural. It is my own wish. Right now, they are not talking about one class. They're talking about many classes. That's why they're making the word plural. But this word does not exist without S in French. This word already has an S in it. So there are few words which already ends with an S. We are not making it plural. So when these words come in the question of demonstrative adjective, you always have to treat these words as singular. Okay, similarly, the school word also. Right now, we are making it plural because we want to, put the emphasis on this. We follow a lot of classes. But otherwise, if you get this word, you have to treat this word as singular because it doesn't exist without S. Okay?
Okay,
If you
ma'am.
want to make it, you can make it plural. But when you're doing it in the form of a grammar question, then you have to take it as a singular word. Okay? Next, qu'est-ce que le brevet? Okay, whose turn? Anandita, start.
Le brevet est le diplôme délivré par l'État dans un college. It's a diploma that you get in high school. When
Yeah,
you're
in
high
in
school.
10th. Okay, college
10th.
basically they're trying to say it's 10th and lycée is 12th. Okay, next. Christina, quel est le diplôme délivré dans un lycée? Just now we have done it.
Le diplôme délivré dans un lycée et le baccalauréat.
Mhm.
The diploma is given in
Mhm.
a lycée. The diploma which is given in
In high
lycée
school, in 12th.
in high school
Okay,
is
yeah.
bac-
Mhm.
is baccalaureate.
Yeah, in 10th you get brevet, in 12th you get baccalaureate, okay?
Okay.
All right, sixth. Quel examen passe-t-on pour entrer dans une université? Which exam do you pass for entering in a university?
Les baccalauréats et les examens quand on passe pour entrer dans une université.
Okay, so this is the exam that you pass, baccalaureate. Of course, that's an exam that you give in class 12th. Okay, so after 12th, you go to the university. Question number 7. Jusqu'à quel âge l'enseignement en France est-il gratuit obligatoire? Till what age the education in France is free and compulsory?
L'enseignement en France est gratuit obligatoire. Je suis à 16 ans, still 16
Till
years.
16 years, okay? Next. À quel âge les élèves sont-ils à l'école maternelle? This is something that we've done above. We've already seen this. École maternelle is from 2 to 6 years, primaire 6 to 11. We've already seen this, right? Okay, question number 9. En quelle classe entre-t-on collège en France? Whose turn? Continue. Continue. Whose turn? Christina? Rida, your turn, I guess.
Ma'am, it's my chance. I was talking muted.
Okay.
On entrée, 16, collage. In 6th grade, you enter college.
Yes. Okay. So in 6th grade, you enter in the college. Okay. That's the school. Okay. Quel diplôme peut-on avoir quand on termine les études au collège? So which diploma do we get when we finish the studies in college?
On peut avoir le diplôme de brevet quand on termine les études du collège.
Okay, so after 10th, it's brevet. After 12th, it's baccalaureate. We've already done it. Next. À quel âge inscrit-on un enfant à l'école? At what age does a child goes to school?
On inscrit un enfant à l'école à l'âge de 2 years. The child starts at 2 years.
2 years, okay. Next, which diploma do we obtain at the end of secondary studies in India? In India, which diploma do we get?
Diplôme des CBSE or ICSE sont les diplômes que l'on obtient à la fin des études secondary. So,
Yeah.
diplomas that you get either in CBSE or ICSE, Um,
Mhm.
confused with that sentence.
Yeah, same. Diploma of CBSE and ICSE. CBSE and ICSE are the boards that we get here in India. Okay. Next,
Okay.
ESL system. Mhm.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Vidya.
question number 12. Iska, they have given the diploma name in Entrejeunes as secondary school certificate as
Huh,
the
you
diploma. So we have to write that or this?
you can even write that, and even this is correct. Both are correct. Okay, you can follow any. Both are correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next, ESCLA system éducatif de l'Inde is similar à celui de la France. Is it same as of France?
No, le système éducatif de l'Inde est
Hmm.
différent de celui de la France.
It's different. We're going to see that once we write the letters. Okay. Next, quand peut-on s'inscrire à la université en France? When we can take admission in the university in France? Okay. So what's the answer?
On peut s'inscrire à la université après études au lycée général ou au lycée professionnel ou obtient la baccalauréat.
Okay, so we take admission in the university after the completion of the studies in high school. Okay, that's also called lycée professionnel. It's one and the same thing. Okay, next, what is IUT?
La IUT est Institut Université de Technologie où on peut faire son enseignement supérieur en technology.
Yeah, so it's
The IUT
Mhm.
is the Institute University of Technology where you get the education of superior technology.
In technology. Very good. Question number 16. Qu'est terminal? L terminal S. These are the sections. Okay. So L stands for literature section and S stands for science section. Okay. Filière is section. Okay. We'll see the 17th one. Whose turn is it? Que savez-vous du CRU? Okay. So I want you to read CRU. Rida?
Le CRU, Centre Régional des œuvres universitaires et scolaires, est un établissement public à caractère administratif qui a pour mission de favoriser l'amélioration des conditions de vie et de travail des étudiants.
Okay, so CRU, the full form you should know. The full form is Centre Régional des Œuvres Universitaires et Scolaires. It's a public company. It's a public company basically, which has the administrative character. Administrative character means, and it also has a mission of favoring the improvement of conditions of life and of work of students. It's basically a company that helps the students to grow, okay, in terms of finance or in terms of their health. So it's a public company, it's a government company that helps the students. Okay. Next, we have few practice questions. Qu'est-ce que la Sorbonne? What is Sorbonne?
La Sorbonne est la plus ancienne université de Paris, créée par Robert de Sorbonne. It's
Yeah. Continue
it's
another.
it's an old university in France.
Yes, and created by Robert the
Robert
Sorbonne.
Sorbonne.
Okay, basic question again. Which subjects do you study? Quelle matière étudiez-vous? Christina?
J'étudie les mathématiques, l'anglais, la science, la sociology et le français.
Okay,
I study mathematics, English, science, social science, and France.
very good.
Yeah,
French. French. Okay. Next, est-ce que les études secondaires en Inde coûtent cher? Studies in India, does it cost expensive? Are they expensive, Rida?
Non, les études secondaires ne coûtent pas cher, sauf dans les écoles privées. No, the secondary education is not very expensive except the private schools.
Yeah, so they're not expensive except private schools. Okay, next. Fortil Dependre, is it necessary to depend entirely on your parents for studies in the university? What can you do, Anandita?
Non, on peut avoir des bourses du gouvernement. De plus, on peut trouver des emplois à mi-temps.
Okay.
Non,
Hmm.
I'm not so sure about the translation.
We can have. What can we have from the government? Can you guess, Anandita?
Support.
Support or in terms of what? Starting from S only. The word starts from S.
Scholarship.
Scholarship. Okay.
Scholarship. Yeah. Okay. So no, we can have some scholarships from the government. Moreover, you can also find some part-time jobs. Emploi à mi-temps is part-time jobs. Okay. Last question. Nommez quelques petits emplois qu'on peut faire. Name some small jobs that we can do. What are the jobs that you can do, Christina?
peut faire du babysitting or laver la voiture ou travailler dans un supermarché, etc.
Yeah.
Small jobs that you can get are babysitting, washing a car, and work in a supermarket.
Yeah. Okay, so these are the jobs that you can do. Clear? Any doubt? I'm going to send you all these documents, whatever I've discussed today. Try doing it. I know you have rest of the other subjects also to cover. You have to cover all the other subjects also, but try doing the topics that I'm doing daily, okay? That's going to help you revise the topics. Okay, only doing in my class and coming back again tomorrow with another new topic and not doing this one, it's of no use, I feel. Okay, again, things will be, a lot of lag will be there. So that is why I've designed this in such a way so that one day, one topic, but in such a way so that you're not going back again later to the same topic. Okay, so try doing the topic in that way. I'll just send you all the documents. Any doubt, anything that you want to ask? Three of you. All clear? So just revise and whatever you have noted down today, please send me. Okay, I'm going to see you tomorrow, same time. All right? Chalo. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Bye.
Good night.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.